Hey everybody, this is going to be a really quick video on how to use one matte on multiple layers in After Effects. So that's if you want to have multiple layers being masked out by one matte layer without having a million layers of the same matte. So you see right now I have in my comp a bunch of these little bug guys flying out from behind this text. It looks really messy and it's harshing my vibe, so I want to use a matte to block them out while they're behind the text, so we'll only see them when they fly out from it. Each one of these comps is one of the bug guys. You might think the best way to do this is by creating a mask or matte layer above each one of these and then using a track matte as a sort of mask or matte layer, and you could do that, but why would you when there's a much easier and more efficient way? So I'm going to go to the pen tool, make sure it's selected, and then come and create the matte around the shape that you want to be blocked out. And there we have our matte. So you can see I've drawn that shape on over there, and that's going to act as our matte layer. Just quickly going to rename it because you always name your layers. I'm going to turn it off now because I don't really need to see it. It's good enough to know that it's there. And then I'm going to make sure that I have a layer selected that I need the matte to be working on. So I've got my layer selected. I'm going to go over to Effect, Channel, and then Set Matte, which is down here. You can just ignore that hue saturation that I've got on there. That may as well not even be there. So I've got my set matte effect applied to the layer now. And right now it's not doing anything. Let me just solo this guy so you can see which one it is. There we go. So right now it's not getting matted out. You can see that the matte is over there. He's not getting cut out yet. What we need to do now is where it says take matte from layer, we need to set which layer it is, which is the matte layer. And again, it looks like nothing's happened. Oh, but wait, something has happened. It's just, the wrong way around. So all you need to do there is just click on invert matte and it works now. There we go. So if we unsolo that layer, you've got him being cut out now as he comes out from behind the text. Now, literally all I need to do is make sure that's selected, say Control C to copy, select all the other ones that I hadn't yet applied the matte to, say Control V, and it gets applied to all of them. So now we got them all flying out from behind the text. Obviously that little guy's tail is peeking out over there. Come on, man. Which one is that? Is that you? Yep, it's that one. Just gonna see where his keyframe is and move him down a little bit. There we go. And now you see, easy peasy lemon squeezy. You've got one matte applied to all of these layers. And that's it. I hope this opens up a whole new bunch of possibilities for you.